start and house battery in that cabinet. There's the BEP isolator, fuse out of the house battery, negative buzz bar over there. I also put a negative isolator. Everything split conduit, well protected. Up in here, so it came up through the floor. Got your power pole over here. Main feed in, and then your load. 2 fuse panels. Negative buzz bar. Tried to leave as much space as I could for when it gets fitted out fully. Two switch panels here, currently covered up for Uno, and then the GPS. We've got power. It's a big job.